Airport planning with BIM. Here is the informational model of the air terminal building created by BPS International team. Using this model as an example, we'd like to demonstrate some of the advantages of BIM approach to planning. With traditional design methods, all the design errors begin to emerge during the implementation phase. Thanks to visual accuracy and adaptive shadows, informational model detects mismatches and fixes them in all the associated drawings. By installing this ventilation grid into the facade structure, we also create an opening which will be excluded from the facade panel specification and add this grid and its properties into the ventilation equipment list. Now it can be seen and edited on all the project views. Informational model can provide a faster result by using automatic presets for various objects. It is possible to change this door's configuration according to desirable size and functionality. It will take a few seconds to place the object into the required position and tag it according to project label system. The smart interaction can be seen by opening 3D view, door list and facade system drawings at once. By picking this door in model, we also pick and highlight it on the 2D view. Let's turn this door into a double one. Changes will immediately affect the specification. It works the same way for zone and room planning, which is quite useful for area usage and technological processes optimization. As a simple example, we can drag this partition into another place and the room data like area and finishing materials quantities will be adapted. Each element already contains all the required data, so with BIM annotating process is much faster than with traditional design approach. We don't need to browse long shadows searching for the door number or fire protection class of the wall. It is already there and no errors can occur. Let's place a basic room tag that contains room name and number. To expand or reduce data performance for different types of documentation, it is enough to change a marking tag type in 2 clicks without retyping and checking numerous tags in the whole project. Here we have room area, perimeter, unfinished and finished floor levels. By renaming the room on one of the plans, we rename it everywhere in the model. The program also controls the building logic and processes. So if we will move this partition on the wrong distance, the whole will be marked in the list as a redundant room, as it is narrow and inaccessible. Informational modeling gives us an opportunity to design buildings of any difficulty and size. This building has a complex roofing structure consisting of curved surfaces. It was modeled using the basic program features and is ready for further collaboration with structural engineers. We still can create an opening or skylight in it. For demonstration, we will make a round shaft through all the building floors. It can be placed on both 3D view and roof plan. Shaft itself has its own properties that can be edited anytime. By deleting it, we will remove associated openings in all the constructional elements. With traditional design approach, it would take a lot of human and time resources to provide a correct drawings for this type of roof. With BIM, it doesn't matter how many sections and details will be required. When the model is ready, each of them can be provided in minutes. You can see that the roof slope marker changes dynamically according to the physical model, which provides the correct data for example, rainwater drainage system planning or snow loads calculation. Let's make a quick 3D section to check the accuracy of newly created openings. These sections provide demonstrative analysis of the building appearance and, based on BPS experience, improve the quality of systems and interior space planning. BIM is not only about building, it also allows to load and create its environment. Here we have the master plan and the topography drawing linked to the model. By just assigning to the points and lines their actual level, we get an accurate topo surface for correct building and landscaping objects placement and estimate excavation volume. We put a new point and define its position above or below project level. 3D relief and 2D horizontal lines from master planning are generated. That provides fast and more productive interaction between architects, engineers, landscape and master planning specialists. Planning in informational 3D space provides better performance of the object through all the design stages and even after that. Optimal solutions can be found and possible clashes can be excluded before they will lead to time and money loss. Building informational model contains all the elements of a real building, detailed information on all the objects, equipment, materials, construction elements, landscape, technology and functional structure. It is not just physically correct 3D model. It is a compilation of project documentation, including all sorts of drawings, specifications, and material lists, which also can be used for MEP system planning, landscape design, energy consumption analysis, visualization, 3D printing, construction schedule control, property and facility management, and numerous other features. This was the video from bim-it.com.